can we achieve both multifunctional crops and net zero farming? My name is Ryohei KOYAMA. My research is horticultural technology. Modern agriculture relies on huge amount of energy, water, fertilizer, and electricity. My research aims to change this crisis by creating alternative resources with zero emissions. We focus on the unique ecology of liverwort, unlike typical crops. I believe it will be a game changer for sustainable agriculture by the three big advantages: fast growth, unique compounds, and it's very easy to improve. We have found a completely new way to cultivate liverwort. The method is aeroponics, where plants grow in mist. This liverwort aeroponics generates no waste of water or nutrients and no plant residue. Also, electricity use is very limited. We aim to achieve high biomass production and superior quality with advanced environmental controls. Recently, we identified the key factor for liverwort growth and achieved over 10-fold faster growth speed by our original cultivation technique. This dramatic acceleration is possible only with aeroponic cultivation of liverwort. We are running an international exchange program, so we send my lab students to partner university abroad. We have started joint research focusing on metabolic change in liverwort. Kobe University is special because of the unique diversity of experts. In our research group, there are top specialists in liverwort biology, biomanufacturing, new food resources, and cultivation technologies. And importantly, here is a very open-minded place. People are curious about new ideas and always ready to try something different. That's why I can do such unique research here. Next step is to combine improved liverwort with my advanced cultivation technology. By doing so, I believe we can maximize the liverwort's performance. Be open!